Hi guys, Melissa here. Welcome back to the Luxury for Princess YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how to get this top knot with waves. The first thing you'll want to do is brush your hair out. You don't want any knots. And I'm also going to be using one of my 3-clip wefts from my Luxury for Princess set. This is going to add a lot of volume to my top knot. So now I am sectioning off the part that I want to tie up in a top bun. I'm going to tie it up. And then you're going to see that I'm going to take that 3-clip weft and I'm going to wrap it around that top ponytail. And then I'm going to wrap the entire thing together into a bun. Once you've secured that top knot, you can move on to the rest of your hair. And for that, I'm going to be using my favorite wand from Luxury for Princess. This curling wand is amazing. And all I'm doing is holding the wand horizontally away from my face. And I'm going to start wrapping pieces of hair over the wand. And you just want to let it sit for just a few seconds. The wand gets pretty hot, so you don't need to leave it on all that long. And just add some texture all over your hair. Continue these same steps all over your head until you are done, and then you're going to be left with some waves and tons of texture to your hair. Once I'm done adding waves to my hair, I like to take my fingers and just fluff my hair up to give it extra volume. You can also add a few extra pieces of Luxury for Princess clip-ins if you'd like. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and we'll see you in the next one.